to Cam's World! Hi everyone, I received this package from the brand YesStyle. I want to say thank you to Ashley and Karis for sending all these items, so let's unbox and show you what they look like. First item is this Isntree Green Tea Fresh Cleanser Mini, infused with 4 kinds of hyaluronic acid and Jeju Source green tea extract. Next is I'm From Fig Scrub Mask Mini. This vegan-friendly mask contains fig powder to gently dissolve dead skin cells and black sugar to remove skin impurities. Next is the Tear Milk Skin Toner, highly concentrated toner that is infused with brightening ingredients such as rice bran extracts as well as Cica and witch hazel to soothe and hydrate skin. Next is Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Intensive Cream. Deeply moisturize skin and strengthen its moisture barrier with this cream enriched with blue hyaluronic acid. Next is Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Hyalu-Cica Water Fit Sun Serum Mini. Fitted with SPF 50+, PA+++++. This organic sunscreen is made with a golden ratio of hyaluronic acid and Centella Asiatica extract to soothe and hydrate skin without leaving a white cast. Next is Vanilla Co. Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Original Mini 7 ml. Next is Lily by Red Love Beam Mini Cheek Balm Key Ring. This blush balm, housed in a cute heart-shaped case, adds a watercolor-like shade to cheeks while leaving a fresh, dewy finish. Sweet Pouring Finger Cushion Puff. Elevate your base makeup game with this nifty finger cushion, offering lightweight and natural-looking coverage, targeting specific areas of the face. Next is Skin Food Peach Cotton Multi-Finish Powder. Ultra-fine finishing powder sets foundation to give skin a flawless airbrush finish. Next is Romand Better Than Ice eyeshadow palette with 4 harmonious shades. Next is Pudair Mini Capsule Matte Liquid Lipstick. This moisturizing and pigmented matte lipstick boosts a velvety lightweight texture that glides smoothly onto lips for a highly adherent finish. Next is the Coringo Pink Roll Makeup Brush Set. This pink roll makeup brush set contains pink roll brush case, pink roll powder and blusher brush, pink roll shading brush, pink roll contouring brush, pink roll base eyeshadow brush, pink roll blending brush, and pink roll eye point brush. The last but not the least is the Casopic Bear Applique Plaid Makeup Bag. These adorable gingham pattern quilted bags come with adorable fuzzy bear appliques. And that's it. Please do check their website. I'm going to leave the link in the description as well as all the items that I featured on this video. Please do use my discount code CAMSWORLD888 to get discounts. Let me know in the comment if ever you've tried any of these items. Let me know what do you think of it. Until next time, bye!
Bye!